What's up, guys? FireLlama back with another video. This time, as you can see, we're doing a tier list video on every single Fortnite gun currently in the game. So basically, Chapter 2, Season 3 guns in the game. So here, as you can see, we got the drum, the charge, the P90, etc. And today we're going to be ranking it in a tier list I made. And I will be linking everything, so this template and everything like that in the description. So please go check it out. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. First up, starting with the drum gun. So basically, this drum gun got a huge nerf for this season because Midas's drum gun was really overpowered. So I mean, it's not too good anymore. I'd rather have like the AUG or Scar. Like it's just not that good. Like the P90 and the rapid fire, I would take it any day over the mythic drum. Just not that good anymore. I got a huge nerf. So I'm going to put it in decent. Next up, we got the normal charge. I hate the charge shotties so far. I just hate it. I'm so glad they kept tax. Because I literally hate charge shotties. I'm not going to put them in hot trash. Because some people like them. And they're decent. I mean, no, they're not even decent. I still hate them. But I'm going to put them in bad. And then we come to Kit's charge shotgun. This is a whole nother story. It's like a upgrade. Has 5 in the magazine and does a lot of damage. So I actually like this one. Still not over the tack, but I still like it. So I'm gonna put it in amazing. Next up, P90. Oh, huge nerf. So I mean, I'm gonna probably put it in I still like it. It's definitely above the drum. So I'm gonna put it in amazing. RPG, you already know, it's an amazing gun. Not overpowered as it used to be in like the OG seasons, but I mean basically amazing. Rapid fire SMG, this one it's like on the line. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put it in OP. Like the rapid fire SMG is goated now. It's got such a fast fire rate. It's so good. It's like OP. This gun's godly. Like definitely better than the P90. Next up, the Yeet launcher. Just prop it up there and amazing. No damage or anything. Definitely fun to play with. So because of that, I'm putting it in amazing. SMG, only fair to put it in decent because it's worse than the P90. But the drum's definitely better than it. And oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, if this gun's over this one, like say how it's first, that doesn't mean it's better. But yeah. Next up, suppressed SMG. I don't know. I'm probably gonna put it in. I hate this gun. Hot trash, like actual hot trash. Like there was like a point in the game where it was like overpowered, but like they've nerfed it. So I mean, yeah, it's like pretty weak now. Tac shotgun, amazing. I love the tactical. Just classic shotgun. It's amazing. It's like Kit's shotgun level. Scar, this is also amazing. It's like quite on the level of these guns. Like it's good, but not AUG level. So next up, moving on to the AUG. The AUG is OP now. The buff, it's insane. Sure, they nerfed the bullets from 3 to 2, but it's overpowered. The damage, everything about it, it is overpowered. And that's not even the mythic one. This is normal. But the mythic one, just like no words, just it's overpowered. Like just put it in overpowered right there. And semi-auto. This one's a recently bought back gun. I actually quite like it. So I mean, yeah, I guess it's amazing. Not quite decent because it's really good. Like the bolt is a solid weapon. Quick reload. It's like in the middle of the hunting and this heavy. Probably prop it up there and amazing. Oh, this one came out pretty recently, maybe 2 or 3 days back. This is the flare gun. I mean, I loved it at first, but I don't know. Like 6 bullets and no reload, no ammo refills. Like that's a yikes, like a big yikes. And it only does 60 with the fire thing coming in. The only thing, if it didn't have the players revealing or the fire after effect, I'd definitely put it in hot trash. But since it does quite some damage and has a fire thing and reveals players, maybe prop it up there and decent. Like, not amazing. Only if the ammo thing wasn't a problem, but yeah, probably prop it there and decent. Like, yeah. Worse than the SMG and the drum, but like, yeah. It's like on the edge of being bad and decent. Next up, moving on to the pistol, a very controversial weapon. I'm fine with it. A lot of people hate it. A lot of people love it. I'm in the middle. Not quite amazing, but like I'd say decent. Like pretty decent. Like it's a solid weapon. And my favorite gun out of this whole list, the hunting rifle. Like the hunting rifle, the gold one's overpowered. The damage, the like everything about it. The damage and the reload time, this is overpowered. The best gun, like hands down overpowered. This gun's like heck a strong gun. Heck of a strong gun. So I'm gonna put it up there in OP. Let's review this whole tier list. Up here in the OP section, we got the hunting rifle, hands down the best gun in the game, in my opinion. Don't get mad at me in the comments. You guys might like the charged shotgun or AUG or something. Mine is the hunting. Next up, Mythic AUG. This one's also one of the best guns in the game. AUG, very solid, rapid fire. These are just like nothing to talk about. They're just overpowered. They're really good. And then in the amazing category, which is basically like a good endgame gun, the Kit's Charge Shotty, P90, RPG, Yeet Launcher, TAC, Scar, and Bolt Action. These are like solid endgame weapons. Like I could win. Like it would be a good loadout if I had only amazing weapons. So I mean, yeah, these are perfect. And then coming into the decent category, we have Jules Drum Gun, probably the worst mythic in the game for now. Like I'm not saying it's bad, it's a decent gun. So it's definitely the best in the decent category. Like it's near these two, but these three are near these two. Bad and decent, but this one's hanging off of amazing and decent. So the drum, and then we have the SMG, the flare pistol, flare gun, and then the normal pistol. These are all decent. And then the charge shotty, some people might like it. I hate it. It belongs in bad. Hot trash, the suppressed SMG, definitely. And it's just a really weak gun. So that is the Fortnite Guns Chapter 2 Season 3 tier list. Hope you liked it. Comment what other tier lists we could do. Not just Fortnite. Any tier list you guys want, we will do it. And get this video to 10 likes, and we will do a lot more. So see you guys next time in another tier list video. Bye.